Hi everyone, and welcome back to Acrylic Pour Art with G. For those of you who are watching for the first time, I'm G. This is acrylic paint pouring, and hopefully you enjoy the video. I did actually do a pour yesterday, as you can see by this canvas, and the lesson I learned from that is that you need to pick your color palettes very carefully. Now, yesterday I was going to do a black center Starburst pour. The colors I ended up using were a fluoro red, green, pink, and some gold. And it didn't work out too well, as you can see. I had to scrape the canvas and get it ready for today's pour. So before we go on, I just want to say thank you to everyone who viewed and liked my previous video. It's already got over 500 views, which is one of the best performing videos so far, and lots of comments, and particularly regarding my new intro, which I'm having made at the moment, and it should be ready in the next day or two. So I'm feeling excited to show that to everyone. So guys, today I'm going to do a matching actually, before we go on, I finally put up all the paintings in my studio. I think I ended up drilling over 20 holes into the wall, which my wife won't love, but I think it looks great. I'm going to cut to a little video of it now so you guys can see them all in place. Yeah, I think it's a great way to display these pictures in rows like that with the same spacing. So hopefully it'll be a good way to sell them as well if we get people coming around to have a look at them. So as I said, today we're going to be doing a second Starburst pour to try and hopefully create a partner for the one I did the other day. And the colors I'm using today, again, I'm going to be doing a white center with my cell activator. I've gone for more blues today, so we've got two different types of blues. We've got a nice purple, and again we've got the Azurean red. And today, for a change, I've actually put some silicone into each of the paints, 2 or 3 drops into each of them, just to see what effect it has on the pour. So guys, let's get going and let's get those paints down onto the canvas. Right guys, there we go. I've actually added a little bit more paint today. Whoops, that wasn't any good. A little bit more paint today because in the pour yesterday the corners didn't seem to get enough. So I've added a few more concentric rings. I'm just going to put a bit more white here in the middle to make sure that we get a good blowout. And yeah, that's it. Let's hope that this one works better. I'm going to be doing a little bit more cord management today so we don't get it in the paint. But yeah, let's go. Let's hope this looks good. Right, there we go guys. Quick and easy today, as it always is with these touch pours. I'm much happier with my color palette. I think putting the complementary colors together actually works really well. The only thing I found with this Dutch pour method is that it doesn't really cover the sides. So I'm just going to spend some time now putting the excess paint onto the sides so that it looks really nice, and I'll cut back once I'm done. Right guys, there we go. As I've said before, you should really get yourselves one of these little offset palette knives. They're really good at lifting up paint that's on the side and then putting it onto the sides to make it look really nice. So I'm going to now give this a little flame because I've put the cells into all the different paints. You can already see them coming up. I think we're going to get some beautiful cells today, which is what I was missing yesterday. Yeah, there we go. Right, there you go. I think this is the first Dutch pour technique painting that I've done that I'm really happy with. And that's why it's so important to choose the correct color palette. Yesterday when I did my other one, I sort of just chose randomly, didn't think about how the colors would go together. Today obviously you can see putting the reds, blues and purples together really makes it look good. I think also, you know, you've got to think about the colors that come together and what color they'll make. Obviously red and blue makes purple my favorite color, which is why I put them together like this. So yeah, going forward I'm definitely going to think about my color palettes a bit more, and make sure that I don't have to waste paint by scraping the canvas every time. Right guys, that's it. It's Friday here in Cape Town. Hope you guys are looking forward to a good weekend. I know I am. I'm hopefully got tennis on Saturday and Sunday, depending how it goes. I'm going to be a tired boy when that's all done. But yeah, I need to get out there and exercise. Guys, as I always say, don't forget to like and subscribe. As I said at the beginning of the video, I've picked up over 30 new subscribers just from the last video. So whatever you guys were doing, please keep doing it. Share my videos. I love new people seeing them. I love getting new followers, as I'm sure you all do. And yeah, help me turn my passion into a business by creating more awareness. That's it guys. Hopefully next time you see me, we're going to have a new intro to the channel. I'm looking forward to seeing how that goes. But otherwise, that's it. Hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to cut to the close-up and hope you have a good weekend. Cheers.